I'm on my way to Gabriel, that's owner and manager of the Boatyard here, and I'd like to talk about the storm with him.
Wait. What? Hold on, what storm? Ah, you mean the hurricane which did a sudden U-turn back to the coast towards us?
And what his precautions are, and maybe he has a few words for us. We'll see.
We always take all the necessary precautions, like adjusting all the support, checking all the supports have the right chains, verifying all the drain holes from the wall to prevent water, like little lagoons, and of course taking care of all the possible things who can blow away during the storms. Checking sails. It's a rule of the dry storage to don't leave any kind of sails on boats. But of course some customers just bring the boat, just put it and disappear. All the staff is working right now, and tomorrow during the hurricane, all the staff is going to be working during the hurricane. I think so, we are prepared really well.
I will do my part now. I take down all the sails and clean the deck, and then we hope the best.
Perfect.
Okay. Now there's a hurricane coming and we have to face it. We cleaned the boat and our surroundings as good as possible. We took down the sails, tied down everything and tried to put as much inside as we could. Stripped down, she's naked. All sails are down, everything is tied down. On the bottom, everything is secured. We can make a party on deck.
We did what we think is necessary. I went up to the mast, tried to secure some cables up there. We are prepared for 80 knots of wind. I hope the stands and the bottom will be good. I mean, it's not paved, it's unpaved, and if it's a lot of rain, it softens.
Inside the boat, it's a holy mess. A little bit excited, a little bit nervous. I don't know what's coming. The whole day was covered with clouds. We're safe, we're prepared, but the problem is we don't know what other boat owners do here around. So hopefully nothing is flying around. That would be worse.
It's Thursday evening now. I think it's around 7ish. We will know more tomorrow. It's kind of exciting. It's kind of scary. The wind is coming from beam on. This is the first forecast. It's got straight east and it's come beam on, and our tail is sticking out here. The half of the boat, the front end is sheltered by the other boats, and the stern is not.
No, I think it'll be a nice, not a nice experience, but a good experience. We can't escape. We can't sail away. We can't go away.
We'll do it. Never give up. It's 4 o'clock now. The first couple gusts are coming. But it's dry at the moment, it's no rain. We see. Sergio, I'm ready. 6 a.m. There's some wind, not much. And when the gusts are coming, the whole boat starts vibrating on the rig, like now. You can feel that. As predicted, the wind is coming here from the east, but it's not stormy right now. Cuckoo! Are you butt naked? Free boat wash.
It's a rainy day, let's get some warm breakfast.
What do you have here?
Porridge.
Porridge?
Warm cinnamon porridge with a little bit of chocolate.
With a little bit of chocolate? There's 2 bars in there.
No, not really.
Just a little piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. You can have...
You got more banana, sugar inside also.
You can have chocolate in a hurricane, that's okay.
It's so comfy and cozy inside, so let's get back in bed. The wind slowly picked up with the company of a little bit of rain. We double-checked, triple-checked, and then kind of enjoyed a day in the boatyard without actually working on the boat.
Sergio is coming. Here inside the boat, the sounds are okay. I mean, you can hear that, but once you stick your head outside, it's very loud. The gusts are going up to 45 to 50 now. And the sound is awesome. It's almost 10 a.m. now. Gusts are going up to 60 knots already. I saw one roof falling off over there from this big storage building. The whole metal roof just completely peeled off and flew away. I can see some halyards flying around. I can see over there one boat already. I see that there is a furler broken. The whole furler is swinging. Man, it's getting destructive. Zero's doing fine. I mean, there's nothing which can be attacked by the wind here. I just hope that the stands are holding. I can feel the boat moving in the gust a little. It's vibrating. I tensioned the stands 3 times already. They get loose. Everything's good on Zero. 60 knots! Bay full of whitecaps. Man, I want to go surfing! So there's no more power here and data service is off as well. There's no more internet connection. So I can't really track where the storm is going, but it's here. It's 12:30 now. We have pretty much consistent wind with around 40 knots, gusting up to 60, 70 knots. And I'm just walking around here a little bit and see a little bit of destruction. Certainly not much. I haven't seen a broken boat yet. But of course, the parts flying around here. I'm pretty surprised that there's not much rain. It's dry right now. There's no rain. And that's supposed to be the peak of the hurricane, tropical storm. It's not a hurricane.
After the incredible impressions of how strong wind can be, we decided to stay inside and watch a movie. I love to be inside watching a good movie, cuddling in bed and drinking a hot chocolate while it's raining cats and dogs outside. It feels comfortable and everything calms down. That was the first time we could lay relaxed in bed to just do nothing and wait until the storm went by. Christian went out every hour to check and tighten the stands, but despite that, Zero was safe.
The sun is coming out!
A few hours later, Sergio was gone. The wind calmed down and the clouds disappeared.
Hold on, wait for the morning.
So it's over.
Till the sun comes over the hills.
Zero looked exactly like before the storm.
Make your call
Nothing happened.
loud and clear.
The wind pushed down the wall a little bit. Man, we were so lucky that this roof fell off to this side and not into the yard. That would have damaged so many boats.
First I saw a clack, 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 clack. And then it was hitting down. And then 2 hours later, I saw and flew over. Und das ist kein billiges Material.
It is strong, yeah. Any damage on your boat?
No damage to my brain, but
You know I'm putting this on YouTube, right? No boats? Yeah, we were lucky.
It was a problem with the roof. Stay over here and was with the strong wind. It was like a parachute. That's the reason the wall tried to fall down. Yeah, but no, I'm pretty happy. The marinas in San Carlos are not so well. That's what I hear.
No?
Yeah.
Ah.
That's too sad.
Oh, what,
Yeah.
What is that?
It's I think it's a.
Telephone?
Yeah, I think it's telephone.
Looks
Yeah,
like
all the
telephone.
place here was because of the roof.
It's over. Marina San Carlos, at least 15 boats fall down. The whole town is out of power and not a single boat fell down here in Marina Seca in Guaymas. We were very lucky. But you know what they say, luck is with the prepared one. Just me and my boat. It's just me